Good day everyone, you're welcome to this video. To my new and non subscriber, you're welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit a video featuring multiple people in a scene, focusing on a specific individual. Alright, it's just as if we have like 3 people in a scene, alright, and they're having a conversation and you want to focus on each or every individual that is talking. All right, just to focus the camera on their face. Once that person finished talking whatever he or she is saying, you also focus it on another person. So sometimes you might think it is they use 3 cameras. No, you can record it with one video, and when you want to edit them, you'll be able to focus it on every individual. So I'm going to show you step by step on how to edit this and how to achieve this using your smartphone, Capcut. Alright, we will be having a fun challenge in this video. Alright, be the first person to spot when these 3 emojis will appear in this video. Alright, we are going to give the winner a gift that is worth $100. Alright, so to win this $100 gift, simply comment with the exact time and the type of emoji when these 3 emojis appear in this video, the exact time and the name of the emoji. Alright, so we will verify and announce the winner in our next video. So I wish you guys good luck. So without wasting much of our time, let's head over to Capcut. So here on Capcut, all you just need to do is to go over to new project and add your video. So this is our video. This is our video, and this video now, let's pay attention to this video. Please pay attention and follow this video step by step. If you don't understand this video, just go over to beginning and watch it again.
Good morning.
Now, before this guy said good morning, like I said, we have 2 people here. All right, we want to focus on this other one. If that person is talking, we are going to focus on this person, and if this other person is also replying, we are going to focus on it. All right, so this is what we want to achieve.
Good morning.
Now this guy said good morning. Before the guy said good morning, I'm going to split it. Yes, yeah, I'm going to split it from here. Immediately I split it, select this one and use your 2 fingers to zoom it like this. Yes, use your 2 fingers to zoom it like this. Good, zoom it very well. So you are going to have it like this.
Good morning.
Good. Immediately it says good morning, this guy said good morning, just split it and what, drag this one here again. Good, you are going to have it like this.
Good morning. Good morning.
Immediately this guy said good morning, let's split it again. Split and what, drag this one like this. As you can see, it is very simple, very simple, right?
Good morning. Good morning. How are you?
Immediately this guy said how are you. You know, during the process of having that conversation, you will notice that after this camera must have focused on this particular individual, at the point you see that the camera will also capture all of them at once. Now to achieve this, we want this camera to capture the 2 of them at once. Just split it. Once you split it, you're going to use your 2 fingers to reduce it like this. Yes, reduce it like this. So you're going to have it like this.
Good morning. How are you? I'm fine.
Good. Can you see? I'm fine. Now this is the first step. Actually, you can also use your keyframe to achieve this. So it depends on the one you want to use. Now let me show you how to use your keyframe to achieve this.
I'm fine. And you?
Immediately this guy said and you?
I'm fine. And you?
Immediately this guy said I'm you and you. I want to use my keyframe to make sure this guy appears, like this camera focus on this other guy. So what I'm going to do, tap on it, go over to keyframe and move it forward a little bit. Immediately you move it forward a little bit, just zoom it. Use your finger to zoom it. You see the transition now. You see the reaction, I mean the zoom effect.
Fine. And you? I'm okay.
Can you see? So once you do that, just tap on it, split it, and use your 2 fingers to reduce it. Bring it back. Good. So you're going to let's play everything so we see what we just did.
Good morning. Good morning. How are you? I'm fine. And you? I'm okay.
Can you see? Very easy. Please, if you don't understand this video, just go back to the beginning and watch it again. This tutorial is very simple. Don't forget to share this video to as many groups as possible. Click on the post notification bell so that whenever I drop an amazing tutorial like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. Don't forget, subscribe if you are yet to subscribe. And if you have any tutorial that you want me to do for you in our next video, just drop it in the comment section. I'm going to go through the comment. So once you are done, just come over here, increase your resolution to 4K or 1080p and export your video. Yes, I believe that you've seen those 3 emojis that dropped during this video. All right, make sure you drop the time and the type of emoji in the comment section. The winner will be announced in our next tutorial. So don't forget to share this video. Thank you for your time. I will see you in my next video.